Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Vlogmas day 8 and we're going to IKEA, and by we I mean my parents, me and Darian. I needed a new set of drawers, and I feel like the storage that I have right now isn't enough to hold the ginormous makeup collection that I have, so I needed like a taller set of drawers because when I bought what I had right now I didn't have as much makeup as I did, and my collection is just expanding every day. So yeah, I just need more storage. So I was looking at the Alex 9 drawers online. It's a set of 9 drawers, which I feel like is enough because it has tiny drawers for makeup and then like bigger drawers for like my bottles and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm in the truck and we're on the way to pick up Darian right now, and we're all gonna go to IKEA, and I just wanted to bring you guys along with me. So it is 1 o'clock right now. We're gonna go pick up Darian and then we will be on our way to IKEA. It's almost 2:30. IKEA is not close to us at all.
Take next right, then turn left.
Okay.
Someone literally left their freaking iPad on the front of their car, bro. What? I even might buy this to put on like my current desk that I have. It's only 40 bucks. I think this is the Alex 9 drawers.
Oh, is it the same one?
Wait, I think that's it. 159, yeah.
Yes, that's the one you wanted.
Oh, yes, that's literally exactly what I was looking for. 2, the bulb lights.
They sell just that.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I saw them online.
How much is it? 50.
Is it?
Yeah, literally, this is what I have, the mound drawers.
Well, you'd have to run the 2 wires down to the eye, or you'd have to run conduit, you know,
Would you be
join
able
them
to do
together.
that?
I want to say
Because it would
yeah.
have to look. You want like that.
This would be such good lighting too. Oh, is that what you do? You get the covers?
I got some to share.
Do you know where it's at?
Is there only 2 left?
No, there's 4. Yeah. So we got the mirror, and now we need to look for the actual set of drawers. It's in aisle 8, bin 11. Aisle 8, bin 11. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is it. Wait.
That one on top. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, okay. Here's the mirror. Well, I'm paying for it, so.
What else are you looking at?
No, I wanted to see if this and that was the same thing, because they're labeled, yeah. They have
This
this,
one's white, and which one's this? Oh, they're all the same.
yeah, because it's
They
a
must be
really,
big seller.
they are. These are the ones that I did have. These are the ones that I have right now, the Mickey drawers, and I didn't put the wheels on them so it doesn't match up to my mound drawers, because they're 2 different brands. So, this matches fine.
You're right.
How are you 2 doing today?
Good. How are you?
Doing great.
total came to $300 and it was my money, so. That mirror looks nice.
Don't fall asleep.
Yeah, I can fall asleep on the pillows that I bought.